Hello and welcome to the SCRIBZEE tutorials. Do you want to know how to scan your Oxford Flash 2.0 flashcards with SCRIBZEE? In this video, we're going to show you how. Go to the SCRIBZEE app and click on the scan icon. Select landscape from the icons at the bottom of the screen and rotate your smartphone to the left. Align the 4 markers with the targets on your smartphone screen. SCRIBZEE automatically scans the front of the card. Click on the icon with the arrow to scan the back of your card. To scan a new card, click on the icon with the plus symbol. Select OK to save your scans. Your flashcards are automatically filed by color. Rename the folder if needed. Use the revision mode to learn your flashcards using spaced repetition. The quiz mode is handy if you want to test yourself before an exam. Now you're ready to scan your Oxford Flash 2.0 flashcards with SCRIBZEE. If you want to know how to revise more efficiently with SCRIBZEE and Oxford Flash 2.0 flashcards, check out our next video.